Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through using automations in Smartsheet to move a row from one sheet to another, automatically whenever certain conditions are met. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to streamline your workflow, save yourself a ton of manual work, and keep your data organized with just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. Before we start setting up the automation, make sure you have two sheets ready in your Smartsheet workspace, one where your rows currently live, and another where you actually want the rows to end up. Think of it like having two folders on your desk. You want to set things up so that, instead of manually moving a piece of paper from one to the other, it gets filed away automatically when it meets certain criteria. If you still need to create that second sheet, take a quick moment to do that now. Once your sheets are ready, open up the sheet you want to move a row from. At the very top, you'll see an option labeled Automation. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic happens in Smartsheet, letting you build automations that save you time day after day. Now we're going to create a new automation, and Smartsheet makes this pretty painless by giving you two options. Create from template and create from scratch. For most use cases, using a template is much quicker, so let's choose the template option. You'll see a list of templates smoothly laid out. Scroll through until you find one that says move a row to another sheet when specified criteria are met. Go ahead and select that. It's designed exactly for the scenario we're handling today. Click Use Template and give your workflow a descriptive name. For this example, let's call it Move Row, but feel free to customize the name so it fits your project. Naming things clearly will save you a headache down the road if you end up with lots of automations running at once. Next, we'll choose what event will trigger this automation. For demonstration purposes, let's select when rows are added or changed. This means if you add something new or modify a row in a certain way, Smartsheet will check if it needs to be moved. For more specific control, you can choose a particular column. Let's say the column is called Name. This makes your workflow respond only when something changes in that column. And just a side note, if you want, you can add extra conditions, like only moving rows where a certain status is marked completed, but let's keep things simple for now. You can always build on this later. Once you specify the criteria, scroll down to the section labeled Move Rows. This is where you point Smartsheet to the destination sheet. Click to select the sheet you want the row to be moved to. You can simply type in the name of your second sheet and it should show up. Select it and then save your workflow. Don't worry if this part takes a few seconds. Smartsheet is just making sure everything is lined up correctly. Alright, now let's give it a test. Click the three little dots in the workflow's corner. This is the options menu and select Test Now. This lets you simulate the automation. Choose Trigger Workflow on specific rows. Then for this example, select the second row in your sheet and click Run Workflow. It's a good way to make sure everything's wired correctly before letting it run unattended. The system will ask you to confirm. Just double-check everything looks right and say yes. To wrap things up, switch over to your destination sheet. You should see that the row you selected has moved over like magic. This means your automation is set up and working, ready to save you time and keep your sheets tidy. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more easy step-by-step guides. And if you have any questions about Smartsheet automations or run into any issues, drop me a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.